In this video today, I'm going to show you how to keep your houseplants watered while you're on vacation. What might your plants need for a week or two while you're on vacation, maybe out of the country or out of the state and you can't get to your plants? One, of course, you could ask a friend to come over and water, but maybe you don't quite trust them. So I've got some really reliable solutions that will really help you. So the first thing you need to do is check your plants and see if they need to be watered. I've got this cactus here. It's definitely dry, which is okay, but for the next 2 weeks, I want it to have some moisture to work with. After you've watered your plant, check the saucers that are underneath your plants. You don't want your plants to sit in a saucer full of water for an extended amount of time. Just general rule of thumb, good practice that you should always do with your indoor plants. I've got some great watering aids that work very, very well for my indoor plants while I'm on vacation. The first one is a terracotta spike. You can use a wine bottle or a plastic bottle in the top of it to supply water through the spike, or you can use a watering globe that has one already attached. And then the last one is a watering siphon that works through the terracotta spike. So the way that these work is the terracotta actually has pores in it that will allow moisture through them. So when the terracotta becomes dry, because the soil around it is dry, then it releases water through the spike. And then as that soil gets moist on the outside of that clay spike, then it seals up those pores and the water holds inside until it dries out again. So it's a very easy thing to do and it works very, very well. So the first one, I could use either the clay spike or the clay spike with the watering globe attached. It's a smaller fern in a 6-inch pot, so I'm actually gonna use the one with the watering globe. Very simple, just take off the globe, fill it with water, and then insert it into the soil. It doesn't matter that it's near the center or the edge, you just wanna get it in the soil so it's nice and sturdy and won't fall over. That one's done, very, very simple. That'll last for about a week, maybe even a week and a half on that watering globe. And then the next one is the watering siphon. This is my favorite. It's very, very easy to use. Same idea is the terracotta spike. So what you gotta do here to get this one ready is you wanna drop it into some water for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna use this watering can right here. I'll just drop it in there, let it soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. When you pull it out, you'll notice that the terracotta spike has changed color. It's a darker color. So very easy to know that it's ready to go. Then you're just gonna take off the green cap on top, fill it with water, and then you'll just take that, close it back up, and then drop your water siphoning end, the white part, into a reservoir of water. The next important thing is making sure that your watering source is higher than where the spike is going to be inserted. That's very, very important because water siphoning needs to work downhill rather than uphill. And then basically you're just gonna insert the spike into the soil and you're set and you're done. And this way you can have a much bigger watering reservoir to last for a longer period of time. So now you can feel safe and comfortable that your plants are gonna be watered while you're on vacation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below, let us know if there's any future topics you'd like to see in our future videos. And I'll see you next time.